Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get Pojavlauncher on iOS. So this lets you play Java Minecraft. So just press play now and it will literally work. So as you can see, I have like all the settings and stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So what you need to do is go to your browser and all you have to do is type this website. So it's called tweakmod.com. So once you're there, guys, just go to the search bar and you just want to type in Pojav. So as you can see, here it is. So press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official App Store, and then you should get the Pojavlauncher onto your device. So I'm just going to wait for this to load here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second for this to load up. So yeah, I've done many videos about this, but they all stopped working. So this is a real new method for 2026 that's still working. So I'm just going to wait for this to download here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So at the end, it's going to say missing files. So I just have to download some of these apps. So we got like Mocasino, World Winner. So this one's like install the app and open it. Reco Social says play one game. So yeah, make sure you do a couple of these and you're going to be good to go. So that's how to download it for your device. But yeah, this is super crazy. So if you guys need Pojavlauncher on your phone, there you go. That's the secret method. So yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps and you're gonna be all good to go. So yeah, this is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super wild and it's fully working. So I'm gonna see you guys in another one. But yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself, get the word out. This is fully working, guys, so be sure to tell your friends about it. This is updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.